How to delete messages on TikTok. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply delete text messages or simple messages on TikTok. So what you have to do is follow the simple steps. And without further ado, we're gonna jump into it. First of all, make sure go into the Play Store and make sure that your TikTok application is updated. If it's not, just do it because the newer features would not be available on the previous versions of the TikTok application. So this inbox is a new feature and it won't be available on the previous features. You don't have the updated one. So once you open up the TikTok application, you go into the inbox that is at the bottom of the screen just below that profile icon. Once you go over there in the messages, you just select any of the messages. So once you have selected a message, I've sent someone a message and that's this. So if I want to delete that message, I'll hold on to it. Once I hold on to it, a new dialog box would just appear above the message that would have four options: copy, reply, forward, and delete. So I would eventually tap on delete and the message would eventually get deleted. This is one thing. And simply, if I want to delete the whole conversation, I can do that by holding on to that conversation. Once again, a dialog box would appear from below the screen and I can simply tap on delete. Once I do so, it would eventually a prompt message bar has opened up that is suggesting me permanently delete this message, and it is saying that this message will be removed from your direct message and chat history will be deleted. So if I does this, eventually all of the chat history and everything would be deleted. So eventually I'll press delete and here it is. The whole conversation have been deleted. So this is how you do it. This is how you delete messages on TikTok. I hope you guys get it and it was informative video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Till next time, peace.